First, the materials required for molding are prepared. The raw materials are poured into molds to prepare the materials for molding the separators. The materials are dried. The electrode plates are visually inspected by a worker. The visual inspection enables the worker to sense whether there is a problem with quality. The electrode plates that were determined to be definitely problem-free are moved to a dedicated tray on a stacker. The electrode plates are attached to the molds by a machine. The molded separators are moved to a dedicated tray on a stacker. The finished separators are carefully inspected visually by a worker to see if there are any abnormalities. The separators placed in a container are transferred to the next process, which is assembly. Assembly of the separators, which are the heart of a continuous Kangen water and strong acidic water ionizer, is carried out with painstaking care. The electrolytic membranes are tack welded to the separators by hand. The tack welded membranes are then tightly welded to the separators by an ultrasonic welding machine. Attachment of the packing is also performed by a worker. The finished separators are stacked and assembled for each model. The necessary parts are loosely fixed. A machine then fastens the screws while keeping them well balanced. Once fastening is finished, the O-rings, brackets, and other parts are attached. In addition, the harnesses are connected. An inspection for air leaks is performed using an air leak tester to determine whether a tight seal has been achieved. The completed separator assemblies are placed in a container and transferred to the main assembly process.